Hi guys, my name is Taylor Dawns with MarineMax Dallas here in Lewisville, Texas. Today we're going to be taking a look at an Aviara AV32. So coming on in the boat, we'll start in the back. You have a huge swim platform back here. You'll actually have an extended swim platform underneath this that is powered. And then looking at our seating, you'll have storage under all these. These seats will ratchet, so you can put them in any position you want. And something cool for Aviara, very unique, is your stadium seating. So you can raise and lower that wherever you want, and then have two people sitting here as well. So before you step in the boat, you'll have nice fender holders right here in your walk-through area. And then coming on in, you'll have your entertainment area here. This is kind of a cooler ice area. Then you'll have a sink along with wine holders there as well. Under here, just more storage. You'll have a pop-out trash can here. And then, very cool feature is your pull-out cooler from Aviara. So looking at your seating, you'll have a nice big L seating over here. You've got a ton of storage under all your seats. They're going to be nice and hinged. And then you'll have another drop-in cooler area right here as well. And then if you look above me, you will have tower speakers integrated into the hardtop, and then you'll have lights all around as well. So taking a look at our dash, you'll have 3 screens up here. So this is your boat information screen from Aviara. You'll be able to control pretty much every option on this boat. Your SIMRAD, it's a 12-inch. That'll have all your GPS navigation on it. And then your engine screen is going to be connected to your Ilmore engine, so you always know what's going on. And then another cool feature is your joystick control. Very easy to maneuver around the dock or in the marina. And then below there, you'll have chilled cup holders, a nice phone holder there. Just a very clean, nice looking dash from Aviara. Taking a look at the head area, very nice and spacious. Easy to walk down in there. You'll have a sink, more storage area as well. And then over here is pretty cool. This door will actually magnet, so it's not flying around and hitting stuff. So coming up to the bow, you'll have a ton of seating up here, a ton of storage, cup holders on either side, speakers, and music controls as well. So again guys, my name is Taylor Dawns with MarineMax Dallas here in Lewisville, Texas. Thank you for watching. This was an Aviara AV32.